Alright, a quick tour of the house, going upstairs. Closet. That is the door to the kids' bathroom. There's vanity, toilet, tub. This is into Trinity's room. Closet. Back out. Another little closet. Into the master bedroom. Walk-in closet. That's the wall where the bed goes. The window to the backyard. TV and fireplace. And into the ensuite. 6-foot tub. Vanity.